Hey guys, welcome to As Seen on Marketplace. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, now let's get into the list. First is a 1976 Porsche 911 slant nose. It has 126,000 miles and a manual transmission. Body looks to be in great shape, as does the undercarriage. Interior looks to be well maintained except for those nasty floor mats. This slant nose 911 is for sale right now for $42,000 in Los Angeles, California, because it does have a broken rear differential, so it will need to be towed. Here's one for all the Mighty Car Mods fans out there. This is a 1996 Daihatsu Midget 2 with only 66,000 miles and a manual transmission. Even though it does have 66,000 miles, this thing looks super clean and is available right now in Fort Lauderdale, Florida for $9,900. Here's another K car for you. It's a very clean Suzuki Cappuccino. It's 72,000 miles and a manual transmission. Has HKS intake, John's Garage exhaust. The engine has been gone through and tuned. Has a very healthy turbo. Gets 44 miles to the gallon and is for sale for $15,000 right now in Carthage, North Carolina. Okay, this is the last little car. It's the 1980 classic Austin Mini Cooper, all original. Great condition, runs and drives very well. Paint job still looks great, super clean interior, real head turner with 36,000 original miles. For sale right now in Norfolk, Virginia for $12,000. This rocket ship is available in Porterville, California for $150,000. It is a 1994 Toyota Supra original twin-turbo 6-speed hardtop car. Has 1,500 horsepower. It is a 3.2-liter aluminum rod 2JZ with a TH400, Motec M150, 12 injectors, 88mm turbo, drive shaft shop 9-inch rear end, and has 6 passes on the full setup. Who doesn't need a 1,500 horsepower street car? This is a JDM 1997 Mitsubishi Legnum VR4 Type S with 54,000 miles and an automatic transmission. This is no grandma estate car with a 6A13TT engine. Yes, twin turbo, and all Mitsubishi's advanced technology, active yaw control, active stability control, and traction control logic. This thing is great in all conditions or terrain with even enough room for the screaming kids. And for $16,200, you can pick this up right now in Denver, Colorado. This is a rare 1992 BMW 850i V12 with 111,000 miles. Engine and transmission are in excellent shape. Interior is near perfect with no rips or tears at all. It is a 9 out of 10. Exterior paint and body is an 8 out of 10. The car is completely stock, adult driven, and serviced regularly. Bad. The AC blows warm, and the climate control screen pixels are not working. This car is available right now in Rockwell, Texas for $18,800. Up next is a 1995 Toyota Celica GT4 turbocharged all-wheel drive 5-speed. This is a JDM spec model. Was just used in a couple of upcoming Toyota commercials, so keep an eye out. Car is very rare, very fast, very fun. Graphics are vinyl and are copied off the original 95 rally car. All original except EBC rotors and custom MagnaFlow exhaust. Cars for sale right now for $25,000 in Long Beach, California. Alright, what a list that was. Now, as always, guys, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment of which car you thought was the coolest. Again, we will be making a cool chart, so let's get our votes in and let's see which one we want on that